Welcome to my class introduction. Class standard 9, subject mathematics, chapter name algebraic expressions, exercise 3.1, lecture 2. Today's lesson to solve the problems. Because in my previous lecture I had already discussed some formulas and corollaries. Also we have discussed its proof and solve some maths. Today I will solve some maths in this exercise. Before solving the math, just I will show some formulas and corollaries that I had discussed in previous lecture. Okay, now follow algebraic formulae. 1 a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. 2 a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. 3 a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. 4 x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. 5 a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now corollary 1 a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A square plus b square again is equal to, we can write a minus b whole square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Again a square plus b square is equal to, we can also write a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square divided by 2. And ab is equal to a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. 7 a square plus b square plus c square is equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ac. 8 2 into ab plus bc plus ac is equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus a square plus b square plus c square. Now follow the problems. Example 7, here given a to the power 4 plus a square into b square plus b to the power 4 is equal to 3 and a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 3. What is the value of a square plus b square? Solution, here given a to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b to the power 4 this equal to, we can write a square whole square plus 2 into a square b square plus b square whole square minus a square b square, because here is given only a square b square but we have written here 2 into a square b square. So for matching this we have to subtract a square b square. Clear? Now this makes a formula a plus b whole square. A mean a square, b mean b square whole square minus ab whole square, that's mean this. Now this again makes a formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square mean a plus b into a minus b. Here a mean a square plus b square and b mean ab. Here also same, a, this is b. So a plus b into a minus b, but this equal to, we can write a square plus ab plus b square, that's mean write in arrange here a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, given that a to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b to the power 4 this equal to 3, so left side 3 and here a square plus ab plus b square this also equal to 3, so this equal to 3 into this. Now a square minus ab plus b square this equal to, we can write 3 by 3, that's mean this 3 by 3 mean 1. Clear? And also given a square plus ab plus b square this equal to 3. Now we'll solve this and this. Now follow next. Now adding a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 3 and a square minus ab plus b square is equal to 1. As a result, minus ab plus ab cut, here a square, here a square, 2a square, here b square, here b square, 2b square, 2 is common, so 2 into a square plus b square, this is equal to 3 plus 1 means 4. Therefore only a square plus b square, this is equal to 4 by 2, this is equal to 2. Therefore a square plus b square, this is equal to 2. This is the required answer. Okay, now you can easily solve 15 number in your book, exercise 3.1. Same, just you have to find extra ab, and here given this equal to 8, but before math was here 3, also here 3 here, but this math here 8 and here 4. Solution process same. Okay, example 8, prove that a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 8ab into a square plus b square. Now for the solution, here given our left part, a plus b whole to the power 4 minus a minus b to the power 4. That's mean this equal to, we can write a plus b whole square then whole square, and this equal to, you can write a minus b whole square then whole square. That's mean a square minus b square. A mean a plus b whole square, b mean a minus b whole square. So this equal to, you can write a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now this equal to, we can write a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, this equal to, we know 2 into a square plus b square, and also a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, this equal to 4ab. Okay, now 2 into 4, that's mean 8 ab into a square plus b square, that's mean this equal to this. Okay, so proof is complete. Follow this formula, you can easily solve 8 number. Here given a plus b equal to root 7, a minus b this equal to square root over 5. Prove that 8ab into a square plus b square this equal to 24. We know formula of ab and also a square plus b square. Ab this equal to, we can write a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square, and a square plus b square is equal to, we know a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square divided by 2. Just you have to put the value of a plus b and a minus b, and you will get the result, no problem. Okay, example 9, if a plus b plus c is equal to 15, and also a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 83, what is the value of ab plus bc plus ac? Solution, we know 2 into ab plus bc plus ac, this equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus a square plus b square plus c square, but a plus b plus c this equal to 15, and a square plus b square plus c square this equal to 83. So this equal to, we can write 15 whole square minus 83, that's mean 225 minus 83 is equal to 142. Therefore ab plus bc plus ac this equal to 142 divided by 2, this equal to 71. This is the required answer. Very easy. Okay, another example 10 number, if a plus b plus c is equal to 2 and ab plus bc plus ac this equal to 1, what is the value of this? This equal to, we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this equal to b square plus 2bc plus c square, this equal to c square plus 2ca plus a square. Now write in arrange here a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and another a square b plus b square plus c square. Okay, this makes a formula. This equal to, you can write a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, and this equal to, you can write a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. And now we can put the value a plus b plus c is equal to 2 whole square Here also 2 whole square minus 2 into this equal to 1. This equal to, you can write 4 plus 4 minus 2, this equal to 8 minus 2, this equal to 6. This is the required answer. Follow this, you can easily solve 9, 10 and 11 in your book, exercise 3.1. Okay. Another math, express 2x plus 3y into 4x minus 5y as the difference of two squares. As the difference of two squares mean both side will be square, and that's mean both term will be square, but between them will be minus sign. That is like as here is square, here is square, between them there is minus sign. Okay, that's mean we have to write the answer in this form. Clear? So 2x plus 3y, if we will consider this equal to a and this equal to b, so this will be ab. So for making the formula ab, we have to let 2x plus 3y this equal to a and 4x minus 5y this equal to b. Therefore ab this equal to a plus b divided by 2 whole square minus a minus b divided by 2 whole square. Now putting the value of a and b, a is equal to 2x plus 3y and b is equal to 4x minus 5y divided by 2, and here 2x plus 3y minus 4x plus 5y divided by 2, as here is minus, so that will be plus and plus will be minus. Now 5y and 3y, after calculating, result will be minus 2y, and here 6x, here will be minus 2x or 8y minus 2x. You can write anyone, no problem. Just calculation here. Now we can take common here 2, as a result here will be 3x minus y by 2, and here will be 4y minus x by 2. 2 cut, here 2 cut. So this equal to, you can write 3x minus y whole square. Here minus 4y minus, that's mean 4y minus x whole square. This is the required result. Here is square term, here also is square term, between them here is minus. So this is the required answer. Okay, that's mean this. I tried to understand different kinds of math, and everyone will solve 8 up to 15 depth math, and I think that everybody will easily solve this math. And any one of you will face problem, you can share with me, no problem, I will help today up to this. And you will submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 8/6/2021, time 11 AM. Okay, thank you to all everyone. Goodbye.